show it. Keep chasing shadows, they're always haunting me, but I believe in something bigger, bigger than me. Bigger than me. Oh, bigger than me. Bigger than me.
Day 3 in Sydney, and we're checking out of the room. But first things first, we had to have our morning coffee. And what? You think these coffees didn't cost $24? Well, they did. Look at these two pretty little monkeys. Alright, we're heading out. We're gonna go buy those shoes from yesterday for Cass. Let's hope that they got them. You ready? I feel like such a tourist right now, but look at the beautiful architecture in Sydney. And if you guys want to know what I look like right now, this is what I look like. Wow, so beautiful. Alright, so we're back at the hotel, and we just spent the last good 40 minutes walking around the city looking for somewhere to eat breakfast.
One restaurant.
And as you can tell, Cass is a bit hangry at the moment. Just a little bit.
It's not one restaurant.
It's not even 11 o'clock yet. But there literally, all jokes aside, was not one restaurant in this vicinity, in the whole block. So we're
like 4 blocks.
Yeah, we walked around the whole city. Anyway, we're gonna get room service, I think. We didn't even get the shoes. Fuck. Struggling.
I don't even care about the shoes. I just want the food.
We didn't even get the shoes. But we didn't come back empty-handed. I bought my mum some Uggs. Alright, because I'm a problem solver. Ooh! I solved the problem. We ordered room service, but in the meantime, I'm gonna have this parfait thing that we bought yesterday as an in-betweener. Breakfast to go. That's what we needed. Yeah. Put the spoon in there and everything.
Third of all, I'm just really freaking hangry. So, we ordered room service because there's no restaurants, and now we got this yogurt. Whoa.
What's your take on the yogurt?
It's really yogurty.
It's pretty yogurty. It's got apples in it. I'm a little bit worried because I'm intolerant. But it's quite nice at the same time. Oh!
You always have some on face.
It's saving a little bit for later. Oh shit! We got the bacon. We got more bacon. And eggs Benedict. Are you ready? Not bad for room service. Yep, very good. Just drink the water with the Costa. It's still. Yeah, for all the foodies out there, check it out. Wow, that's good. Yo, so we checked out of the room about half an hour ago, and now we're just getting coffee. We've got a couple of hours to kill before we get picked up, and we're going on a helicopter ride around the Sydney Harbour. Get to fly around the Opera House. It's only a 20-minute ride, but it'll be a cool experience, I reckon. I've never been in a helicopter before, so I'm pretty excited. Have you been in a helicopter before?
No.
First time?
Yep.
Oh shit, first time for everything. Anyway, so we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna sort of rush off to the airport. We don't have too much time in between, depending on how long all that takes. And then we're flying back home to Melbourne. So, that's it, man. And we're back at the hotel, trying to look for some PowerPoints to charge our phones. What is that? What is that? Rare specimen under the... Oh my! Just gotta do what you gotta do. Just got to the airport. airport, the back of the shuttle bus. Cool kids sit at the back. That's the helicopter. We're just waiting for the safety video to come on, and Sandra's struggling with the instant coffee over there. I already got mine sorted.
Just waiting for the safety video. He's over there struggling with this instant coffee. I've already got. I've already got. I can't even do it seriously.
Just in another Uber, arriving at the airport. What's wrong, Cassie? Tired? We've been eating one meal today.
We're about to eat sushi.
I want sushi.
We're gonna eat sushi.
We are going to eat sushi. Sushi, guys. Sushi. I love sushi.
I love sushi more.
She loves it. But I love it more. Shh. No, I don't want a burger.
You don't?
No. What are you getting? Hoka hoka? We're on a food hunt because they got rid of the sushi store in the airport because they're renovating. Bullshit. Anyway, I made an executive decision to get rid of my carry-on bag. So all I got is the necessities. Bag of shoes and my laptop. Traveling light today. Chicken.
Can I get extra meat in one?
Yeah. Look what we opted for.
Yeah. What? I'm sorry?
Pardon? Yeah. This is actually really good. The corn in it just tops it off, that sweetness. Look at it dripping all on my hand. Yummy. Some serious leg room. Look at this premium economy. Hello.
Premium economy.
Premium economy. Yeah, them feels. Just wanting to get home now. Home sweet home. So this is what tonight's dinner looks like. I'm trying to clean it up a little bit now. Got my chicken and vegetable pilaf from Prepped Meals. And I got a salad, with some avocado, which Honey Bunny made up for us.
It's a revolution.